Jonathan Ball, who is a professor of virology at the University of Nottingham. Professor, thanks for joining us on the program. You know, there's been a lot of speculation about how and where the coronavirus originated. The latest theory is the pangolin, which is believed to be the world's most trafficked wild animal, may be a possible coronavirus host. Now, you tweeted that you're very fascinated by this theory. Why is that?
Well, mainly because it is an emerging story and the evidence isn't at the moment crystal clear that it's likely to be the pangolin, but we've been promised that there will be some data emerging that shows that this virus, the novel coronavirus, is going to be incredibly closely related to a virus that's circulating in pangolins, particularly pangolins resident within those sorts of areas. So we'll wait and see, but certainly so far it's the most convincing source of the virus. And so then the next question we have to ask is, what led the virus that was in pangolins to end up in humans? And I think we know the answer to that, but we do need to investigate that more.
Right. For people who aren't familiar with viruses in the way that you are, there have also been theories, that it could have originated in bats or snakes. Explain to us how a virus can originate in an animal and then mutate and then transfer to humans.
Yeah, well, it doesn't always have to mutate. So some viruses that circulate in a natural animal reservoir, let's take Ebola for example, is perfectly fit to be able to make the jump into humans. And so one of the key questions is, whatever animal reservoir it is for this novel coronavirus, and let's assume for now it might well be a pangolin, one of the questions is, what allowed it to make that jump? Could it make the jump without any mutations, or did it have to require one or two changes that allowed it to do that? But also, why haven't we seen it before if it is in this reservoir and these animals have been mixing with humans before? And I think also, what were the conditions in the animal markets, particularly in Wuhan, that allowed the virus, if it was in pangolins, to make that jump? Because clearly this is an animal that shouldn't really be traded particularly as a live animal, but it is an endangered species, I understand.
Okay, we're going to leave it there. Jonathan Ball, professor of virology at the University of Nottingham. Thank you.